Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, retina. So, retina, first anatomy of retina. Retina mainly extends. Okay, retina extends from the optic disc to the ora serrata, which is the thinnest part. So, thickest part is in the optic disc and thinnest part is in the ora serrata. So this is the optic disc. This is the optic disc. This is the macula. This is the optic disc. From the optic disc, it extends to the ora serrata. Okay, ora serrata. What is ora serrata? Ora serrata is the region of insertion of retina, and this will also correspond to the insertion of the external the ocular muscles like recti muscles. So these will correspond to the insertion of recti muscles in ora serrata. And if you see the ora serrata, the thickness of ora serrata is around 0.10 millimeters. Thickness of ora serrata is 0.10 millimeters is the thickness of the ora serrata. Surface area of retina is around 266 millimeter square is the surface area of the retina.
thank you and thank you for watching.